Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. So today we are doing a basics video. I will show you how you can knit in rounds, and I'll show you a super simple way to do it in knit stitch this time. I'll also show you the materials that I will be using, so if you want to learn how to do this, stay tuned. So let's start. First, I'll show you my needles for knitting here. So we have here the shorter and longer ones, my lines as well in different lengths. So the super long one is 150 centimeters for big projects, and I have some shorter ones as well. They have with the needle about 45 centimeters. I'll show you in a moment what it looks like when it's put together. So the needles are easy to put on here, that we can use to put them on there and make them stay there. And this little tool that you see over here also helps a lot to make sure everything stays in place. So you see they aren't the same length. So yeah, anyway, let's get started and connect our parts. So this way they stay put and don't slide out. The difference between the long and short needles is simply a personal preference, the length that is missing I mean. So the longer ones, if you're using those, they might be a bit easier to hold in the hand, and the shorter ones have the flexible part starting right here, but it's super simple because if we put them together. So if you take a look, here, this section might get in the way of doing rounds, so that's where the little ones are actually better. So let's see how long they are in sum. So end to end, (40 centimeters. So I'll do 40 centimeters in rounds. Let's go. So here is some leftover wool I will use, so let's get started. So my stitches are very loose on purpose. For now I'm using just one needle and the other one will come in handy soon. So I'll keep doing this until I have stitches all the way to the other needle. So here is my round now, stitches from end to end, and I'm making sure there are no twists here. So a twist would be something like this. So it should be without twists. So take your working thread onto your hand and then start your knit stitches. And let's finish the whole round to the other end. So simple knit stitches. And here is my first round. First stitch is here. Here I am bridging over. You could use a marker to know where you started if you'd like to know. So I'll just keep going and soon you will see that it's super practical as long as no twists are there. So it's a really simple project to do, a really simple method, and I think it's even suitable for very beginners to get some awesome results. So yeah, in the end, it's really pretty. It's a really pretty pattern. And the cool thing is you can keep working on it for as long or as wide as you want it to be, depending on what kind of project you decided to do. So yeah, I'll keep working until I finish my wool, and then I'll show you what I have. So I don't have any more wool left over, but you can see what my stitches look like now. So here on the inside, it's also the back side. You can choose whichever you like better, and that's how this works. So you could keep working for as long as you like. Casting off is also super simple. If you need a video for that, we do have some on our channel. So feel free to check those basics videos out if you're a beginner, and if not, then this is a great refresher. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to let me know in the comment section what you think or what you would like to see next. You can also shoot us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and that way you'll always stay updated with everything new that we post. And you can also check out our older videos we already posted. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!